In this video, I'm going to talk about the data transfer instructions in chapter 4. I'm going to start with Irving's folder in the C drive. You can do the same whenever you want to start a new program. I have put the project samples in the examples folder. You may have put this in a different folder. However, you need to locate this project sample. In this sample, you need to open your project space. I'm always clicking this one to open the space. I have opened a Visual Studio already, should be here. Okay, let me see which one I have. Okay, this is the one I'm going to use. I have typed in some things before I start. So make sure for the title you put in your program's name and you use the comments, put your personal info and the date. In the data segment, I have declared two strings. My message I say is here. Actually, I want this to be data transfer, not defining data. Okay. I have two messages. Then I have an array list one. The size is 5. Then I have variable 1 with initial value 10, variable 2 without a value. In my code segment, I start my main procedure, and in the first line, I have called a clear screen library function from Irving32 folder. This is going to clean up the screen before I start. Then I have called write strings to print out the two messages. So before you print out your message, you need to bring the offset of your message into EDX. Let's see how to use move data transfer instruction. I want to move copy variable 1's value into variable 2. You cannot say like if you want to say v1 copy into v2, this is not allowed. I have explained in the PowerPoint. If you have two memory space as operands, this is not allowed. So you have to transfer v1 into AL first. AL is 1 byte because v1 is 1 byte. You have to match the size. Then from AL, I transfer into v2. Then I'm going to to see the values v2 to verify it, right now we don't have library functions. Learn is going to be in chapter 5, but I can show you a little bit right now. So I want to use dump registers library function to dump all the registered value. I can bring v2 into a register. So I can say move register BL with v2. So this is byte to byte is allowed. BL is the lowest byte EBX. So if I dump register, I can see BL should be V2 should be 10 because this is how I copied around. Okay, let me go ahead and build my solution. It's okay. Go ahead and run my solution. I have two messages print out on my screen. Then I have a dump register. This is library functions dump registers. You can see their general registers values. What I have done is I put v2 into BL after I copied. So I'm going to go to EBX. BL is the lowest byte. So first two digits hexadecimal is the lowest byte EBX. That's BL. BL is 08. That's 10. So that's right. Okay. So let me continue to show you more other instructions. Let me declare another variable, like say I say v3. V3 is a byte. Suppose I use a binary value, I can put a 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 and put a radix there to show this is a binary value. Suppose I want to copy v3 into v4. v4 is a word. Data type is word, uninitialized. Suppose I want to copy V3 into V4. This is not allowed because from byte to word, even you use register in the middle to transfer, that's not allowed. Mismatch the size. To handle the mismatched size issues, you have to try to use move zero extend or move sign extend. Suppose I want to use move zero extend. I want to transfer V3 into V4. I cannot directly transfer V3 to V4. I have to use an index. Suppose I want to use index AX. When you use move zero extend instruction, you have to, one the register must be a register. So I move AX, move zero extend AX with V3. This is allowed. Okay, then I'm going to copy A3 into. So I'm going to move AX into V4. So I'm going to V4 with AX. After this, I can dump register again. So suppose I want dump register again. Anyway, I want to display V4. I can use like CX or DX. Let me try. Just use CX. I can copy V4 into CX. You match the side. CX is half or ECX. So I copy V4 into CX. Then I can call down register to see CX value. So let me copy Control C. Here Control V. Let me down register. V4 is let me see V4. If we do zero extend, that means upper half CX, that means CH will get 0, CL will get 1001111. This is A the F. Okay, let me see. Let me verify. Build my solution. Okay, oh, I failed. Let me see what's going on here. Okay, let me try to. Okay. Open here, read the instruction. It's hard to program in low level because you have to take care of the details of your program. Error report prompt MPROC. Okay. Move V3 into AX. Press from a byte to. Let me see. Oh, I have a mistake in my program. Let me see. This is 0x. I have a typo there. That's why. Okay, let me build my solution again. It's okay. Dump start debugging. So the second dump is from for CX. CX is a copy V4. So let me check CX. CX is the half ECX. Half, that means lower half. 008 F is right because this is what I have copied. I use zero extension, so that's right. Okay, continue. We're going to show how to use move sign extension. I can do the same thing. Suppose I want to copy another one. I'm going to make a variable v5. Okay, I'm going to copy it into another word with I initialize value. I'm going to copy v3 to v5. This is a mismatched size byte to 2 bytes. So I have to use sign extension, zero extension, or sign extension. I have show zero extension here, show you sign extension. Suppose I want the copy into v5. I'm going to copy paste here. I copy v3 into AX, then from AX I copy into v5. Instead of using ZX, I can use SX. This means sign extension. Copy the sign bit into the upper half of AX. That's AH. So if I copy, I should have copied the sign bit 1 into v5 over AX. Okay, let me try to show you how to dump the register again. I want to show what's in v5. I can move v5 into, suppose I want to use dx. So I copy v5 into dx. Then I can call dump register to verify the value. Okay. So if I dump dx for their sign extension, I should have ff8f inside dx. Let me verify this. Okay, the last dump register should be here. I need to go to dx. This is edx. dx is half edx. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Last 4 hexadecimal digits are dx. So I have ffaf. So that's the value I'm expecting. So we did right. Okay, continue. I'm going to show you how to use exchange, X exchange, to swap values between variables. We have example in the PowerPoint. Let me try do it in the Visual Studio. I have list 1 and I have byte as the storage. I have 3 values, 1, 2, 3. I want to swap the values between 1, 2, 3. After I swap value, I should have 3, 1, 2 instead of 1, 2, 3 in this one. Okay, what I'm doing is I'm going to use move exchange SCHG instruction. That's called SCHG instruction. So let me go to here. I'm going to first move the first one. The first one is okay. Let me see. I have used the byte, so I'm going to use AL or AH. I have to match the size. I'm going to copy list 1. The array name means the first element. This is going to be the first one. Copy into AL. I'm going to use AL as my media to transfer around. So after I have list 1 copy into AL, I can XCHH to exchange AL with the second one. That means list 1 plus 1 byte. That means jump to the second address. To get the content of second address, you need to use bracket. This means exchange values between second one and AL. That should be 2. So move 2 into AL and move 1 into second location. After this, I'm going to exchange again. I'm going to exchange AL with the last one. The last one in the array is list 1 plus 2, because last one should be 2 bytes after list 1. After this, I should have 1 in the second location and 3 in the first location. I just want to move the last one into the first one. So let me go ahead and change it to. So finally, I'm going to copy whatever in AL into list 1. Okay. Let me try to see there. Yes, we're going to copy around. Let me go back to Visual Studio to show you. Let me build. No, anyway, I need a dump register to verify the value. So let me copy Control C, Control V. So I'm going to show list 1, list 3 values in the array, so I can copy. So before I show register values, let me use 3 copy, 3 move. First, I'm going to move list 1 value. That means whatever in list 1, copy into AL. Use list 1. I can move second one with BL with list 1 plus 1. That means copy second element in the array into BL. Then I'm going to copy one more, copy CL with list 1 plus 2. That means the third element in the array. So let me try to build my solution. It's okay. Let me go ahead and start debugging. Let me verify the last output. I should check AL, BL, CL. If I'm good, I should have 3, 2, 1. Okay. BL lowest byte is 3. CL is AL is 3. BL is 1. CL is 2. So I did right. Okay. So that's list 1, list 1 plus 1, list 1 plus 2. So this is how you use XCHG function to swap values. Thank you for watching.